Hello, in today's piano lesson we're going to look at how to play the piano, but we're also going to look at how to write those things down on the stave. Those are the 5 lines that we write all music on. So we're going to have a look at that in a minute. Let's just remind ourselves, we're going to start on middle C. Now that is the note that is right behind the 2 black notes, not just below the 3 black notes. We're going to play it with our thumb, and you remember we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1 is going to go on C, and I'm going to play 4 C crotchets, 1 beat each. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now if I wanted to write that down, I would do it like this. Here I've got my treble clef. And I've got, this is called a time signature, we'll talk about that in a second. And then we've got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 C's. I know they're C's because if you remember, my treble clef is a signpost telling me that that's where C lives in the treble clef stave. It lives just below the 5 lines on its own little spare line, a ledger line. Then we've got this. This is called a bar line. Now you can see that I had 4 crotchets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what these 2 numbers mean. They mean that you'll get 4, the top 4 tells you how many. Now the bottom 4 is actually a code, and 4 is the code for crotchets. So 4 crotchets in every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. In my next bar, I've only got 2 notes, but look, they're not coloured in. Those are minims, and they are worth 2 beats. So where I would play 1, 2, 3, 4, here I will play 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a listen to that on the piano as you look at it. Just look at these first 2 bars, the 4 crotchets and then the 2 minims. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. The next bar, we've got 4 more crotchets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the final bar, there's only 1 note, but look, it hasn't got a tail. This note without a tail is called a semibreve, and it's worth 4 beats. So we play 1, 2, 3, 4. And last of all, we've got this. Not 1 bar line, but 2. It's called a double bar line, and it means you've reached the very end stop. So we've got our treble clef telling us where to find middle C. There it is, on the ledger line on its own. We've got our time signature. Remember, the top number tells us how many beats, 4. And the bottom line, the bottom number is a code, and 4 is the code for crotchets. So this means 4 crotchets in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. If you've got a keyboard at the moment, see if you can play along with me. I'll count us in an empty bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 2, 3, 4. Off. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 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 2, C, 2, C, 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 2, 3, 4. Off. Great. Remember, if you say the letter name as well as playing it, and now as well as looking at it, you're using 3 different parts of your brain to remember that note, and that will make things a lot easier. Okay. We'll have some more tomorrow. Have fun!